All right, this is my go-to bag when I go filming. I take all my equipment, including that camera right here I'm filming in. But the best part is you got plenty of pockets. You got a pocket here that I always have an extra camera, my camera mount, extra accessories. If you want to put your wallet in here, you want to make sure it's tied down, nobody's going to break in, because I'm going to show you a couple of things you can do. So you can zip tie this. You could, it has snaps on, magnetic snaps, all right? You guys can see that. Hanging, so you can hang a bottle of water if you want on it. And on top of that, if you have extra accessories like I do, I got a bunch of stuff here. Camera mounts, some sort of toy, more camera mounts, more camera and cable, another camera in here. So I got a lot of stuff in here. Pretty much everything fits in this system. And because it's valuable, a lot of stuff, I like to lock it up. It has a lock combination here in the front. You guys can see that right here. The combination is going to be automatically zeros, but you could change it. You don't have to have it on, all right? So that's automatically, you could change that. Zipper on the outside for accessories, change, or keys if you want. The bag itself, the mesh itself, it's very, very comfortable. Has an extra button here. You could actually hide more things in the back. Paperwork, homework. Best main part, charging station. You can plug anything on the outside and charge it. So internally, you have to have a battery. It also includes a jack to extend your connection. If you have an audio 3.5 jack, you can do that because the entry is not just a USB, but also an audio jack. All right, we got the battery pack in there. You can see it, I'm recording on it. But look at that. Starts charging automatically. A walking battery that you can take with you pretty much anywhere. That's a plus. Extra pockets on the side. Extra pockets on the side. You can put your cables on the side if you want. Conventions. This is something I'm going to take to conventions with me. I don't have to carry a larger bag. This is pretty much everything I have to take. And of course, I always take an extra change of clothes for the road. Everything fits in here, just like the way I need it. So, very simple bag, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.